Hi everyone, this is my review of the document repair tape from Lineco. Lineco produce a whole range of tools for archiving paper or helping restore paper and protecting it for the future. A lot of big libraries and museums use their products, and it comes in different sizes. I've got a couple of different boxes of it here. It is pH neutral, which is great, and it will last for a very long time. And the deadly enemy of books and things like that is ordinary sticking tape, because it goes hard. You've seen the colors change and it affects your books. So if you've got a book like this 60-year-old book on cricket I've got here, and it's got a bit of a tear, this is next up on my repair list. I will be using this tape to just join that little tear up there and reinforce along that edge. Now, it is a little bit tricky to use, and it's sometimes hard for people to actually find the tape. It is stuck or onto this backing film, and you have to separate it off. And some people actually find it is very hard to find, and there's some funny reviews on the Lineco site about how they sent the product back because they couldn't find it. But persevere, and you'll just be able to lift up a little edge, and then so you cut how much you want, measure up and cut the length that you want to use, and then peel off the edge, and then this little tape will appear like that, and that is what you use to stick down. Once you've stuck it in place, you rub it in slightly. You can use your fingernail is quite good just to burnish it, or a spoon perhaps just to make it seep into the paper a little bit, and then just leave it and you should be good to go. So if you want the very best thing to repair documents, or even just to hang up something onto the wall that you don't want it to affect the drawing, or that maybe a postcard or something like that, it is a very useful product. Lineco document repair tape.